What are the results of the 2021 Cogeneration National Snapshot Survey?
This year, as well as in previous years, we carried out a snapshot survey. We have the inputs from 15 national experts covering 74% of the installed capacity of cogeneration in Europe, but also Turkey and Moldova this year. And the results are very interesting. We see that while CHP over the past 2 to 5 years has been declining in several countries, the industry sentiment is overall positive. So, and that is explained by the fact that a lot of the CHP fleet is coming to the end of its lifetime, and now the industry is looking at the next investment cycle. They're looking for what the policy framework will be in the future. They're waiting for political decisions to be taken with respect to the phase out of coal, the transitional role of natural gas, and also the uptake of renewable energy. And it looks like the outlook is positive. So for more than 60% of cogeneration in Europe, the industry expects that there will be growth, especially in a few segments that have always been more favorable and for in terms of the applications. So especially renewable and natural gas-based CHP is supposed to grow, as well as applications like district heating in several countries like Poland, Romania, the Czech Republic. And then for small commercial and domestic CHP, we see some potential for growth as well, more in Western Europe, in Italy, Belgium, Germany as well. And indeed, Germany remains one of the biggest markets for CHP, where growth is indeed expected across various segments. So I would say that in overall, the outlook is good for CHP.
And what are the opportunities and risks for cogeneration in the coming years?
So we have identified several types of factors that impact CHP segments. The first is, of course, the political factor, because with COP26 and also with the Green Deal and Fit for 55 package in Europe, there's really a push for rapid decarbonization of our economies. So there, the phase out of coal is really one of the big factors. Then we see that at the political level, there is an expectation that natural gas will continue to be an important fuel for the transition, and that's an opportunity for CHP. CHP will ensure the efficient switch from coal to natural gas and to renewable energy sources, including hydrogen and other renewable gases. But then we have the policy framework and the implementation of the political decisions, which don't always target CHP in the most favorable way possible. So there's quite a lot of policy uncertainty on the ground at national level, policy frameworks changing quite a lot, so that represents risks for investors in CHP. And then we also see that the markets are quite volatile. Energy prices are increasing, and so investors don't know what is really the long-term business case for CHP. But overall, we think that it will be clear that CHP is a key solution to deliver net zero emissions by 2050, and it's really important for both industry and policymakers to keep that in mind in the coming few years. One other trend that we see as an opportunity is really a move towards more flexible CHP, and we see that many countries are realizing that in the future we will not only need renewables and we will not only need electrification, but we will also need dispatchable electricity that is produced in the most efficient way possible. And so that creates a window of opportunity for CHP.